Hi, this is the Minelab Manticore. It's Minelab's premium coin and relic detector. It's lightweight and versatile. It has a full carbon fibre telescopic shaft and it has 3 coil options. The M8, the M11 which is included in the box, and the M15. It has a 0 to 99 target ID scale and along with an advanced 2D discrimination. 3 years warranty and it's waterproof to 5 metres. To set up the Manticore for detecting, switch the detector on and then push the settings button. Here we've got volume, search modes. All-terrain general is the best mode for most conditions, but we also have all-terrain fast, all-terrain low conductors, all-terrain high conductors, all-terrain trash reject. Beach general is the best mode for most beach detecting, but we also have beach low conductors, beach deep, beach surf and seawater. There's also an additional goldfield general mode, which is the best for gold prospecting when searching for small nuggets. If you'd like to read more about these specific modes, please have a look through the manual. Once you have selected a mode, go up to the noise cancel setting and push the soft key on the right to initiate the automatic noise cancel. The Manticore also has an additional feature which has a continuous noise cancel feature. If you push and hold the soft key button, the detector will continually go through a noise cancel until it finds the quietest channel. Once the numbers on screen stabilise and stop moving, release the button. To ground balance the detector, go up to the ground balance setting and then push and hold the soft key on the right. When the numbers on screen stabilise, release the soft key. To switch the auto track mode on or off, push the soft key once. Now that you've done this, you can push the back key and start detecting. The Manticore has an advanced 2D discrimination setting. It has 99 target IDs that start 0 on the left and go through to 99 on the right. The centre line shows conductivity. Both below and above this centre line will show ferrous or iron targets. The soft key on the left is a all metal mode. If we push that, you can see these greyed out areas will become white. Now, the detector will accept targets such as iron. And you can see this is showing up here. If we turn the discrimination back on, this area is now greyed out and the detector will not sound when this icon is here. You'll still see the ferrous on screen, but it won't detect or give you a target ID. Other items, such as rings and coins, will still be detectable, and you can see they're in the very middle of the conductive line.